Ursula and welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm doing a skincare review of Reign's skincare range. How's that? So for about a month I have been trialing and testing Reign's skincare products. I wanted to properly test them so that I can give you an authentic, real review about my experience of the product. You gotta build it over time. For starters, Reign only uses natural ingredients. We wanna go the natural route. It's just better for us as human beings. It is made in Africa, baby. We wanna support local. So they use some African botanical extracts. What is super cool about Reign is that it has no paraffins, no chemicals, no petrol chemicals, no animal testing, no child labor. But I know what you're all thinking. You're like, Ursula, tell us, what do you think? So let's get to using the products. First thing you've got to do when you clean your face is you've got to get your hair out of your face. Now that we have the hair sorted, let's get to cleaning your face. I'm wearing a little bit of makeup. So I had a Zoom meeting, so I had to wear a bit of makeup, and now I'm making the video, so I've got to take the makeup off. Also, a really great moment for me to demonstrate how to use the product to take my makeup off. To remove the makeup, I've got the Botanical Micellar Water. I hope I said that right. Now this just takes off, removes all the product from your face. What I really like about this is that it's not very oily. It just gets it off. You know, sometimes with makeup remover, it just doesn't get your makeup off. It just gets it off. I'm not wearing heavy mascara now, but it gets heavy mascara off as well. Another nice thing, it's naturally fragranced with spearmint. Oh yeah. Completely new person. Alright, not that I was wearing a lot of makeup. Now we want a gel, cleansing gel, just wash the face. Cleansing gel? This one has a spearmint and grapefruit. It's got a nice, just a little bit. Only teeny. That was too much. Can you see? I don't think you can see. Anyways, I put too much already. A little bit goes a long way with these products, which I love because financially in lockdown, I want my products to last. You lather it and it's just gonna foam up. See how much foam is making? And don't forget your neck. Very important, girls, we forget our necks. Yeah, close to the ears, those little the side. Dirt, what's up? Just give it love. Ooh, see? Nice. It smells so good. There's loads of amazing ingredients, but what I really love is bulbulina. I'm on a bit of a bulbulina wagon right now. It's this beautiful medicinal plant in KwaZulu-Natal, and it's got so many benefits to it. So each time I see something with bulbulina, my skin, because I've got super sensitive skin, it reacts so well to bulbulina. So that's what I love about this. So I've got very sensitive skin, so this is a great product for normal to sensitive skin. Just dab the face, and then I hang it, and then the next time I use the other side. Just a little tip. Now that we're all cleaned, we do the next step, which is toner. Very important step. It just gets your acidity levels, gets balanced through toner. You must think of your skin as a sponge, it's a dry sponge. This is a dry sponge. And when you put on your moisturizer, a dry sponge can't really absorb. It's not very absorbent, so you're trying to absorb a lot. See a toner as prepping your skin to be able to absorb. Spending good money on that moisturizer, so you want your skin to get all the benefits. Another thing, I love a toner, and especially this toner. I've never had a product, my skin reactive product like this. A toner just closes your pores. My pores on my nose disappeared. After a month, I can see the results quite early, but the more I use it, just pores are just going away. How many facials have I been for? Now you come into the picture. Then we've got our toner. You just do a little dab. Now that my skin is prepped for my moisturizer, what's the next step? You guessed it. We're gonna moisture. It's called the Elevating. And does this elevate? Let me tell you. Johannesburg winters are real dry. We need some day moisturizer. Very like earthy smells, velvety, smooth. I'm putting on way too much, but it's so dry. A little goes a very long way. Oh, feel that goodness. There we go. I know. Whole new person. Can you believe this? Okay, so now we have that. But while I found Rain is through their soap bars. I'm a soap bar girl. They have liquid soaps, but I'm a soap bar person. I just don't like wasting, having plastic bottles to throw away. So I don't really do liquid soap. I like a cookie syrup, you know? This is handmade luxury soap, baobab and olive. And this range, I've used all of them. I've never used this one. I can't wait to use this. Mostly with olive oil. I mean, I've got to love. Can't wait to use this. So there we have our Rain review. The biggest takeaway from this product is that it is absolutely incredible for sensitive to normal skin. Totally transparent, very conscious. It's getting like a tick, 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 tick. Thank you for watching with me. I enjoy making these videos for you guys so much. Go have a little look, sneaky little look at Rain. Luxury, but local, and not too heavy on the pocket, which a girl really likes.